Let's cross over to the courts, and this is in regard to a tough war that emerged between Parliament and the Judiciary over what was described as a contentious report touching on the conduct of the Judicial Service Commission. It did specifically state that 6 of JSC members were to be removed from office, but the court intervened. And so Patrick Amimo has the very latest from Milimani. Patrick, what do we have today?
Thank you, Edith. I'm at the Milimani Law Courts, where 5 judges have just delivered their interpretation on this matter that touches on the doctrine of separation of powers. And from their ruling, they've said that the establishment of the tribunal by the head of state was contrary to the Constitution because the matter had been before the court, and the court had issued conservatory orders twice, but Parliament went ahead to defy these orders. And so by the President acting on this decision that had gone against the court orders, it was also contrary. So any action to form the tribunal, the court has said, is null and void. Remember, in December last year, Justice George Odunga did stop the swearing in of the Ringera-led tribunal until the case was heard and determined. So the judges have said that the Parliament has a role. In fact, when it comes to oversight role, it does not mean that the National Assembly is supposed to micromanage institutions. The matter of oversight, though it's not defined by the Constitution, it's only supposed to monitor institutions and not micromanage institutions. The judges also took issue with the Parliamentary Committee on Justice and Legal Affairs, the way it treated the Counsel for the Judicial Service Commission when he appeared before it, and they decided they will not hear the counsel but go ahead and make their own decisions. So the judges have said that we are acting under a new constitutional dispensation, and both institutions must realize that this is a new dispensation order, and everything that is done must be in line with the new constitution. So they've said that the Ringera-led tribunal is null and void, and on the oversight role, they say that Parliament should not micromanage other institutions, though it has to play its oversight role of monitoring other institutions and ensuring that there is a transparency in the institutions. It's also said that when it comes to court orders, they need to be respected, because it says that the judges have said that if court orders are not obeyed, then it would be very difficult for the public to obey court orders, and this might result into anarchy. So these were the ruling. This has been the ruling by the courts, and from here now, it's back to square one. Edith?